Hello. Remember, we are in week 16 in our same unit, reading, writing, review. We are in day 3, Wednesday, June 2nd. It is a Wednesday, that means it's an async day. I will have office hours from 7 to 8:30, and I'll be doing a lesson on how to write your evidence paragraph. If you have any questions, please come also, and I'll be there to answer. All right, let's go to async. You have two activities. The first one is negative. Think of something you never want to do and explain why you never want to do it. And remember to use different negative words. Okay. Your next activity is in MEL, and you'll complete that activity. If you are interested in doing culinary arts or GED, please make sure you go to the information session. It is here in our announcements page. The information session is from 7 to 8. Here's the link, here's the ID and the passcode. Let me know if you need to go but you are unable to. And that's it for today. Good luck.